Gotta go. We're going Tesla Giga Texas.
Today's April 7th. We're going to Cyber Rodeo in Austin. It's happening today. It's an invite only. We don't have tickets. We're gonna try to crash it and see if we can get in. Because apparently, it's not that strict to get in. So we're gonna hope for the best. So we're gonna drive in our Tesla Model S Plaid from Houston to Austin and hope we get in. Otherwise, we just made a 4-hour trip for nothing. We'll see.
It's time to go.
Happy birthday to you, what I mean. Happy birthday.
Is your birthday too?
No.
Why you say to you?
I don't know. Oh shit.
Tesla belt buckle.
Did you bring the alcohol bottle, the lightning bolt? Show me your Elon. That's what I'm gonna say when I meet him.
Do you think we're actually gonna be able to get in?
Yes.
I think so. If not, we're gonna climb.
Lawn is really nicely done.
There's a little shed over there.
Wait, so where did you see that? Oh, she posted it under which post? Oh, here you go. I'm driving there now, but who knows if I'll get in. This guy wrote that an hour ago. Same, me too, fingers crossed. Got turned away once. Oh, shit. Damn.
Why'd you look at his profile like you didn't believe him?
Man, we're only gonna know if we go. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Should we go? We can at least back off behind the building. See what we do.
I mean, the only thing we do is you can see the building. We're technically halfway there and there. Well, I guess we'll go home. Why would he say all that? He misled us. What if they get really relaxed later at night? But then we're gonna be hanging around for hours not knowing.
Oh yeah, exactly.
But then we might be rewarded for patience.
God damn it, Ted. This whole trip has just been fantastic.
And now we're heading home.
Whoa, guys, that was such a good tour.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, like on Tesla Road, there should be. They said there were signs where you go park. They went and parked, and like there were so many people that they just kind of acted like they knew what they're doing and walked right back, walked right in.
Oh, and when you saw them, they weren't wearing bands, I suppose, right?
No, they didn't have bands. Once you're in here, no one cares.
Okay, so I just need to find a way to park at the factory.
All right.
Well, that just changed everything again.
We're on the road
I'm excited again.
Tesla speed, warp speed. Oh,
See it?
yeah.
That building right there. Oh, shit, I see lights. Red lights, blue lights. If we have to park like somewhere here at this cross and run in, we're gonna do it.
Yeah, no, I'm down. We better do what it takes to get in there.
We gotta be able to get in here.
What is happening?
They're all trying to sneak in.
Dude, look at those little offices.
Look, they're doing test drives here.
Event turn
Look,
right.
see, they're parking here. People are just parking anywhere. Okay, so everyone's parked here can't go.
Oh my god, guys, we're so So how do we get in there? If we park here, we're walking 30 minutes. You need to get through there and cut your way through.
Oh, they're just parked. They're just parking desperate to look at the event. No, Brooks told us to park at the factory. I tip you, just let me in park.
We got special access. We're at the media team. Show them you have the badge?
I don't even know if there's a...
Here.
That's the pass.
Worst case, you get 100. In
I'm
Houston.
sorry, sir, but this is a private event. If you guys don't have your QR code or
Yeah.
what's that, group pass?
Yeah.
Y'all are not gonna be able to get in. That's what I'm telling you.
Why does he say the doors aren't strict? Oh, he's texting it to me. We got a QR code. We're gonna try it again.
Guys, this is it.
No, we're gonna have to walk through the cars to wherever, then get turned down.
We have to find a creative way around.
Hey, when you edit this video, can you do the dun 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 do-do-do?
Yeah, for sure. I'll see what I can do.
It has to be in a specific scene.
What scene you wanted in?
You're about to find out. Dun 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 do-do-do.
You gotta stop.
Tore my asshole doing that. Listen, here's the plan. Okay, Ted. Nutsack level right now. Dun 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 do-do-do.
Someone's alarm went off. We buy someone's van. How do we re-enter?
It's one swipe.
No, but the band is something else. Maybe the band's so you can re-enter?
Bands maker.
See, I see plenty of them. Do the bands allow you to go back in? I'll buy it from you.
You cannot go back in.
Oh, they even took told you? So
Yeah, once you go out, you're not allowed back
So
in.
they're super strict, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, bud.
Yep. So the next drop off, I'm gonna have to solicit people. You want $300?
Should we sell our bodies for sex?
I guess I could get 400. I brought 400. Right? I mean, we're here. I just need to wait
Look
for
at the light
next-
show inside. Look, you can see it from there. You see the glass? You can hear the music from there. Oh, the party, we're not invited.
Like they said, just walk there and walk all the way back. We got exercise. We had a little bit of adrenaline. It was a little exciting. Right, so.
Dude, you could have gone in there anyway. There's a metal detector.
Oh, man, like.
Yes.
Oh,
Would have been so. Oh my god. That's inside?
You know, I'm not that busy. They could have let a lot more people in.
Oh, it's outside.
Yeah, but there's
Oh,
a
it's
stage.
inside.
Ooh, shit.
Go back, lights flashing.
What is all that?
Oh man, I think that's 4 wheels. It's a car driving.
It is a car driving.
Yeah, and then those are the tracks. But what's the red? Oh, I bet you from an angle it's a silhouette of a Tesla. That's what it is. Yeah. Silhouette.
La 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 la.
Hold them stocks. Long-term investment.